In this video, we're diving into a comparison of two powerful landing page builders, Landingi and Unbounce. If you've been wondering which one is the best for your landing page needs, stay tuned because I'll be breaking down the features, pros, and cons of each, and by the end, you'll have a clear winner or maybe even a better option. First up, let's talk about ease of use. Both Landingi and Unbounce aim to simplify the landing page creation process, but there are differences. Landingi offers an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that's perfect for beginners. It has a user-friendly design with templates that make it easy to create a landing page quickly. Unbounce also has a drag-and-drop editor, but it's a bit more advanced. This can be a pro if you're a marketer who wants more customization, but for someone just getting started, it can feel overwhelming. Next thing, we need to look at template variety. Unbounce excels here, offering a huge selection of high-converting templates that are professionally designed. Landingi, on the other hand, provides a more limited template selection, but the good news is that you can customize them a lot. However, if you're someone who wants a variety of ready-to-use templates out of the box, Unbounce could be the way to go. Moving on to integrations, both platforms support a variety of tools, but Unbounce generally takes the edge with more options. It integrates with tools like Salesforce, MailChimp, and Google Analytics out of the box. Landingi is no slouch, but some integrations are a bit more limited, especially when it comes to CRM systems and marketing automation tools. Now, let's talk about pricing. Landingi tends to be more affordable, especially for smaller businesses or startups. Unbounce, however, is a premium product with a higher price tag, but that higher cost comes with more advanced features. If you're working with a smaller budget, Landingi is definitely a more cost-effective solution. But if you need those extra features and you're willing to pay for them, Unbounce might be the better fit. Next, let's discuss A/B testing capabilities. Both platforms offer A/B testing, but Unbounce has the upper hand with more advanced testing tools. Unbounce allows you to create multiple variations of your landing pages and test them in real time, whereas Landingi's A/B testing features are a bit more basic. If you're really focused on optimizing conversion rates through A/B testing, Unbounce could give you an edge. The fourth thing is customer support. Unbounce offers 24/7 support with a dedicated account manager for their higher tier plans, but Landingi is known for its responsive customer service as well, and it's more affordable. If customer support is a deciding factor, both platforms offer great options, but Unbounce may feel more tailored to your needs if you opt for a premium plan. Now, let's talk about speed. Landingi pages tend to load faster than Unbounce, which is a crucial factor in landing page performance. Slow loading pages can hurt your conversions, and Landingi has the advantage when it comes to speed optimization. So, what's the bottom line? Both Landingi and Unbounce are solid tools, but the choice really depends on your needs. If you're just starting out, have a smaller budget, or need a simpler solution, Landingi is a great option. On the other hand, if you're a seasoned marketer who needs advanced features like better A/B testing, integrations, and more customization, Unbounce is the better choice. That said, after trying both of these tools myself, I've found an even better alternative for building high-converting landing pages. If you want the best solution for your landing page needs and access to exclusive benefits, check out the free trial in the first link in the description. You'll get the best deal with features that outperform both Landingi and Unbounce. Don't miss out on this opportunity.